Hello and welcome back, everyone. So today we'll be discussing how to keep your garden going in this high heat and humidity that we had all across this country the last few weeks. And the biggest thing to keep it going is water. Besides drought tolerant plants, what you can do to help a plant, especially when you first plant it out, is a good watering. Now, if you already have a garden, you have plants that are established, all these perennials, unless they need water, just let them be. They'll be fine unless it looks like they need it. Because what this heat's going to cause them to do is push their roots as deep as they can go. They're already established, and find that water. Now, the newly planted plants you just put in your garden are not going to fare so well. I have penstemon here. This one's gone to seed. It's not dead. This cardinal flower, some ferns, different plantings here. I rearranged stuff here, built a little pond. All your new plantings, you're going to want to water in deep, because watering deep and a nice good soaking will cause all this new plantings roots to go deep and search for that water. Because if you just give a nice light coating like you see some gardeners do, and they call it good, maybe they water the rest of their garden, that is not going to be good for your perennials, because it's going to keep the roots shallow. They're not going to withstand drought, and they're just not going to be healthy throughout their life cycle. Where if you give them a nice deep watering of water, now let's say I'm watering right here, and you see water pooling up in your garden, just go ahead, stop a little bit, let that water soak in, and maybe start again, or go to another planting. Spray the rest of your perennials while you wait. Just going to hit this penstemon right here, maybe some of those cosmos over there, and I'll go back and hit all these newly planted plantings. And you should too in your garden, because it will help them out not only for this dry spell, but like I said earlier, throughout their whole life cycle. I mean, you could tell the stress that this heat and drought, humidity has put these plants through. These are newly planted cardinal flowers. These are looking okay. Look, these ones are like drooping, looking sad. And the best thing I can do for these plants is just keep watering them nice and deep, once, maybe twice a week. It'd really help them along, help them get established. So just remember to do that for your own garden, your own plants. Nice, deep, thorough watering will help your plants get a nice root system established, withstand drought better, and just be healthier overall. Thanks for watching me, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.